Whoa, whoa, whoa. I got a premonition, I'm dreaming you and I. All my darkest fears are coming outside. We got a billion races, we got this melody. And you can trust me, baby, we got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. And when you need to escape from 1,000 fires, I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are. And I'm gonna miss you, I will never lie. Call me whenever
I'll show you my personal London and New York Open indicator. All right. So right here, we're looking at a chart of the Euro USD. All right. And I've got some period separators up. So when you have my indicator, what it's going to show you, okay, it's going to plot literally London Open and New York Open. Now, the settings, the way it's programmed is actually for the London opening price and the New York Stock Exchange opening price. So if you are a Forex trader and you're trying to trade New York, then you're going to have to change the settings around. All right. So if you come up here to indicators and strategies, if you go to the public library, all you have to do is type in John, J-O-N, and the second one right here, it says John Fibonacci, London and New York Open. So you just click on that and you'll be able to have that for your charts. Now, this right here, this is the default view. So it's a blue line and a green line. Okay. So when you come into the settings here, all right, London session, all right, from 3 to 12, and New York session from 9:30 to 1700. So this, for me, let me see if this, yeah, so I'll just zoom in here real quick. So theirs is 2 o'clock Central. Okay, I'm from Houston, so this is Central. All right, so 2 o'clock is right there, and then 8:30 right here. So that is the stock exchange open. So if you want to change that, you'll go into the settings and change this from 9:30 over to 8. So that'll be the Forex New York. All right, and there you go. So me personally, I have the colors black. All right, so you'll go in here to style. If you want to take one of them off, you can. So if you just want to say, you just want to look at New York, you can uncheck the top one, and then you'll only have the New York Open. Or if you just want to look at London, uncheck New York, and then only London is displayed. So I'll go ahead and keep both of them on here. Now, I like to keep my charts black and white, so I'm going to change these both to black. And then that's how you get that. All right, so the settings are fully customizable. You can put whatever time frame you want. If you want to go in there and look at Asia, you can do that. All right, and there you go. So the only differences with this indicator is that if you go to the daily time frame, it's not going to look right. So really, this is for 1 hour and probably less, especially if you're a day trader. So yeah, daily and above, it's not going to look okay. So you're going to have to uncheck it if you want to look at the higher time frames. But intraday trading, you know, that 5-minute or 15-minute is going to be pretty interesting for you. All right, for use of this indicator. So that's pretty much what it does. It's not a overbought or oversold. It's not going to send out signals. It's, you know, to buy or sell or anything like that. It's just plotting New York and London opening price. All right, so that is pretty much going to be it. I walked you through how to get the indicator. You just search up John. You'll see it on there, J-O-N. Okay, John Fibonacci right there. And then in the settings, this is totally customizable. The colors are customizable, and it's all there for you to enjoy. All right, so it's a free indicator. I hope you guys learn to love it. I know some people already have it and they like it, so I appreciate you guys for the feedback and all of that, and there will be more indicators in the future. All right, so with that being said, that's my indicator. That's how you finesse that, and I'll go ahead and cut it here, and I'll see you in the next video.
Love.